Good morning, my dear loving children, and welcome back to Vidyanagar Public School's online class. Today we will start a poem from your English course book, page number 49. Okay, you can take your page number 49 of your textbook. Are you ready? Yes. What is there? Be a friend. It's a poem, right? Yes. Who wrote that poem, Edgar Guest. Before beginning the poem, let me ask you some questions. Do you all have friends, right? Yes. What are the special qualities that you see in your friend? Why that friend became your friend? Or why that girl or a boy became your best friend? You will be having some reasons, right? Yes. You sometimes you like their character, sometimes you like their handwriting, and sometimes you like them because they share many chocolates with you. Sometimes you like your friend because she or he is very much caring, very kind hearted, very polite, and very gentle. So there you have innumerable reasons to make your friend, right? Yes. To make someone your best friend, to make someone your friend, right? Yes. Here in the poem, our author, our speaker, our poet Edgar Gust also says about some qualities that you can see in a good friend. And let's see who is a good friend really, right? Yes. Here we go. When I read the poem, you can go through the lines and keep your textbook also with you. Open it. Okay. Be a friend. You don't need money, just a disposition sunny, just the wish to help another, get along some way or other, just a kindly hand extended out to one who is befriended. Just the will to give or lend. This will make you someone's friend. So, in the first paragraph, you see the poet is saying some qualities needed or some qualities to become a good friend of someone, right? To become a friend of someone, you don't need money, right? You don't need to be wealthy. You don't need to be very much luxurious to become a good friend. But what you need? A disposition sunny. So what do you mean by disposition sunny? It's actually a phrase from English that means a cheerful nature, because something very smart, very happy nature, very kind nature, or we can say very cheerful nature, okay? Very happy nature. And just the wish to help another. Yes, you must have some wish, some likeness to help others. That's something which is very good to be a friend of someone, right? Yes. Get along some way or other. So, what do you mean by get along? Have a good relationship with someone. So, always keep a good, heartful, or love or a loving relationship with another or with your friend. That's what which make you a best friend of someone else, right? Yes. Just a kindly hand extended. Extended means to extend. This is extending. Give your hand. Okay. Just a kindly hand extended. You must extend your hand. Very kind hand in everything. So you must be very kind to that friend. Okay. Out to ones who is befriended, who is unbefriended. Unbefriended means those who does not have any friends. Those who does not have any friends are called unbefriended. So what does it mean by befriended? Befriended means getting into a friendship. Unbefriended means no friends. Okay. Just the will to give or lend. Just the will to give or lend. Just we must have the mind and that willingness, the readiness to give or to lend, right? Yes. when you people sit in your group to have your lunch, your best friend will give you some special curries, or we can say special things that which she brought, right? And she will share it with you and with her friends, right? That sharing, that readiness or willingness to give her things, right? And to lend. Sometimes you may forget to bring your pen. Sometimes you may lose your pencils when you are in hurry, when you need it very badly. So your friend will help you by giving the pencil, by giving the needful things, right? Yes. This will make you someone's friend. So this attitude will make you someone's friend. How? By giving the things that they need, by giving a kind hand towards them, extending your kind heart, your kindness. And what else? Yes, by get along some other way, some way or other. Get into good relationship with your friend. Even if she does some mistake, it should be ignored by you, right? Yes, even if she makes some mistakes, it shouldn't be taken into consideration. Just ignore those simple or silly mistakes that your friends make. Okay, so by that you can become someone's good friend. And we will see the next paragraph in our next class. So till then, take care. So what's your homework? You may please write a poem which talks about your best friend. Or those who does not like to write poems can write about your best friend, a paragraph. Okay? So we will see in the live session. Take care. Bye.